Let me show you how easy it is to create a professional-looking end screen for your YouTube videos using Flixeer. To do this, we'll head over to Flixeer.com and then click on Get Started. As soon as you do that, you'll get several different options to bring your video over. You can drag and drop it from your computer, import it from cloud storage, or transfer it seamlessly from your phone. But there's also a simpler method that doesn't require you to have any footage. Close the Import menu, then go to Stock and select the Videos tab. Type Outro into the Search tab and you should find plenty of ready-made end screens which you can use. If you find one you like, just drag it to the timeline and click on Export. This way you'll be able to append the outro video you just made to the end of any video you edit and then add the end screen elements to it from YouTube Studio. Now, if you're looking for something a little more custom, I'll show you how you can create your own end screen from scratch. First, you'll need to upload the video you plan to use as a background to Flixeer. A key thing to remember about YouTube outros is that they last between 5 and 20 seconds, so if you've got a longer video, you'll need to trim it down to that length. To keep things simple for this tutorial, I'll use a stock video to create an interesting outro. Let's go back to the stock library and search for something like lines. After adding the video, we'll drag it down to the timeline to trim its duration. To do this, go to the 20 seconds mark, press S to cut the video, then right-click and choose Ripple Delete to remove the extra footage. Now we're left with a 20 seconds clip. Let's start adding elements to our end screen. For YouTube, you typically have two shapes to work with: a circle where your channel logo will appear and rectangles where other suggested videos will be displayed. We'll go to the Shape section and add a circle, placing it in the center of the screen. The subscribe button will go here and we want the videos to appear on either side of it. After placing your shape, you'll see it appear on the timeline. Make sure you set it to last the full 20 seconds. You can resize and reposition your shape easily with the mouse, and you can use the right-hand menu for more in-depth customization. Next up, we'll add two rectangles on either side of our videos. Copy and paste the first rectangle, then drag the copy to the other side of the screen. Make sure both shapes are the right size and length on the timeline. You can customize the color, add transitions, and make the rectangles hollow just like we did with the circle. Now it's time to add some text. Go to the text section and choose either a headline or regular text. Type something like "Thanks for watching" and then drag it onto the canvas and resize it to fit. On the right, you can change the font, color, size, and even add a stroke or a shadow. You can also add animations to your text just like you did with the shapes. Use the keyframes to control how long the animation will last. Lastly, we'll go to the Motion Graphics section and add a pre-made subscribe button. Once you've placed it on the timeline, you can customize it by going to Edit Motion Object. Feel free to change the text, colors, and even the font. For example, we can make this button blue and then save it. Now you have an animated subscribe button on your end screen. You can also add more elements like arrows pointing to the suggested videos or text that encourages people to check them out. If you want to, you can also find free music that you can use as an outro by going to the Audio tab. Just drag it down to the timeline to add it, trim it to the same length as the rest of your end screen, and use the right side menu to adjust the volume or add a fade out. When you're done, just click Export. Your end screen will be saved to your computer as a video and you'll be able to easily add it to the end of any video you make moving forward. Now that you have your outro and you've added it to your video, the next step is uploading the whole thing to YouTube. After you upload your video, you'll get options for the end screen. Of course, you'll want to set the duration to 20 seconds like we talked about earlier. YouTube also offers you a variety of templates that you can use. You'll want to go with something similar to the template you created in Flixeer, one subscribe button in the middle with two videos on the sides. You can also add new elements by clicking the Add Element button and selecting either a video or a playlist. Speaking of playlists, you can use a playlist or just a regular video for the rectangles on your end screen. Don't forget to add the subscribe button in the center just like we planned and position everything so that it aligns with the shapes you've created in Flixeer. Once everything is set up, you're good to go. Just click Save and you're all set with a professional end screen for your YouTube video. If you'd like more tips on how to edit YouTube videos with Flixeer, check out our YouTube channel for more tutorials, tips, and tricks. Until next time, happy editing!